Ben. The map is glowing now.
Ouch! That was a big jump. Hello, I am Roro the Rabbit.
The forest is in trouble, Lily. We must go to the Gray Woods.
Oh no! There are no leaves. There are only stumps. Don't be sad, Monkey. We will help you.
Sacred soil from Sprout Mountain. It can bring the trees back to life.
The mountain is high. We must climb up. The mountain is high. We must climb up. The trees are low, Lily, but the peak is high. Give me your wing, Dodo. I'll help. Look! The sacred soil! Look! The sacred soil!
Please don't be angry, Mr. Gopher. We want to save the trees with your soil.
Whee! Whee! This is fun! Ha! We are back! Now, let's bring the trees back! Grow, trees, grow! Grow, trees, grow! Look! A tiny green sprout is growing. The leaves are green and soft. Wow, look at that! It's glowing! The map was right! Use the magic soil! It's working! It's growing! Thank you for the green trees, friends. The water is back. It is clear and blue. The flowers are red, blue, and yellow. Nature is colorful, Ben. Red, blue, and yellow. Look, Mr. Gopher, your soil saved the forest. Thank you for your help. Our mission is done. The forest is happy now.
Goodbye, Lily. You are a brave explorer. Come visit soon.
I can see our house. We're home. always wash your hands after an adventure, Ben. It's important. Trees give us air and homes for animals. We must protect our forests. I love our forest adventures, Lily.
The end. Goodbye.